Okay, this is to help with question 13 from 9.5 day 1, and we have to write the explicit formula for a geometric sequence. So there are two explicit formulas in this chapter. The top one here is for arithmetic patterns. The bottom one is for geometric. So this one is going to be the second formula, and we need to find kind of two parts. You need to find the first term and then the common ratio, which is the number you multiply by. Okay, and that is significant because this pattern is technically divide by 5. If you look at this, we're dividing by 5 each time. But we want to figure out what is r. So the trick is to remember that if you divide by 5, that's the same as multiplying by 1/5. So in our little formula, we're going to have 1/5 to the n minus 1 power, where n is kind of like our x variable, right? And then a sub 1 is just the first term, which is just 25. So we say a sub n is equal to 25 times 1/5 to the n minus 1. And again, n is kind of like x and a sub n is like y, all right? And that would give us, looks like at least for me, it's letter D down here would be our answer, right? It's sort of like a pattern of 25 multiplied by 1/5 n minus 1 times. All right, hope that helps.